Good day. So this is the continuous topic of basic concept of migration. Migration trends. Climate migration is a rising number of people displaced due to climate-related disaster. Mawalay ng mga tao tungkol sa mga sakuna, bagyo, linog, ganito. So, digital nomadism. Growth of remote work allows people to migrate for lifestyle rather than to society. So, mga tao nga nag-travel while using internet without aging population and labor shortage. Many developed countries rely on migrate to fill work gaps. So, daghan ang mga senior citizen ron o gamay na sadang mga batanon tungod sa migration. So, stricter immigration policies, increasing border control and response to political pressure. Kanang patuman og strikto nga policy aron limitahan ang pagsulod sa mga migrate. So, right to asylum. Every person feeling persecution has the right to seek refuge under international law. So, migration exploitation. Many migration face abuse for working condition and wage debt. Silbi naiuban nga gatrabaho nga ipangawasaran tungod kay mga pobre without us way mga kwarta ba kay gibusaran. Family separation. Stricter immigration laws sometimes to lead families being to apart kanang need bitaw mo trabaho ang mga part sa mga family para maka kwarta pa sa lain nasod ng mga Saudi. So, ecological effect of migration is a positive effect. Migration can reduce overpopulation in certain areas, easing pressure on local ecosystem and natural resources. And then, negative effect, increased migration to urban areas lead to pollution, deforestation, and strain of water resources. So, that's all for my discussion, and thank you.